Hello and welcome to today's video on how businesses can use ChatGPT to improve productivity. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies are always looking for ways to streamline processes, reduce response times, and improve customer engagement. One tool that can help achieve these goals is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that businesses can use to automate repetitive tasks, answer customer questions, and provide 24/7 customer support. Here are just a few ways that businesses can use ChatGPT to increase productivity. Number 1. Customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into a company's website to provide instant customer support, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. Number 2. Lead generation. ChatGPT can engage with potential customers and gather information about their needs and interests, helping businesses create targeted marketing campaigns and generate leads. Number 3. Sales assistance. ChatGPT can assist sales teams by providing product information, answering customer questions, and helping to qualify leads. This can help sales representatives close deals faster and more efficiently. Number 4. Knowledge management. ChatGPT can be used to create a virtual FAQ system that can help employees find answers to common questions quickly and easily, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks and freeing up employees to focus on more complex tasks. Number 5. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate content such as blog posts, articles, and product descriptions, saving time and increasing efficiency for businesses. So there you have it, just a few of the ways that businesses can use ChatGPT to improve productivity and efficiency. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, improve customer engagement, or generate leads, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights.